At 9 in the evening, the palace by the river was full of bright lights. The river was full of small boats and big pleasure boats. Each boat had colored lanterns. The water moved the boats gently. It looked like a big garden of glowing flowers in the wind. Questions. What time was it? What was on the river? What did the boats have? How did the water move the boats? What did the river look like? Big stone steps went down to the water. Many royal guards stood on the steps in shiny armor. Many servants in bright clothes ran up and down the steps. They were getting ready for something important. Questions. What went down to the water? Who stood on the steps? What did the servants wear? What were they doing? Then someone gave an order. All the people quickly left the steps. The air felt quiet and full of waiting. People in all the boats stood up. They put their hands over their eyes and looked at the palace. Questions. What happened after the order? How did the air feel? What did people in the boats do? Where did they look? About 50 big royal boats came to the steps. The boats were covered in gold and had high carved fronts. Some had flags, some had golden cloth, and some had small silver bells. The bells made soft music when the wind moved them. Each big boat was pulled by a smaller boat. The smaller boats had soldiers and musicians. Questions. How many royal boats came? What were the boats like? What made music on some boats? What pulled the big boats? Who was on the small boats?
Еще более подробные уроки на платформе stepik.org, а также в нашем Telegram-приложении. Все ссылки в описании.